Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have a solution for you if you're wearing a medical boot on one leg and so you know you're walking uneven with the other leg. So this is a foam lift that attaches to the bottom of your shoe. It's EVENup, and it's going to bring your other leg, your uninjured leg, up to the level that you need to be so that you're stable and even. Your hips are not going to be out of place, and it's going to be easier for you to walk with that medical boot. So whether you're using crutches still or you're just using a boot to protect one leg, you can attach this very easily to your sneaker, and it's extremely secure. The bottom is very grippy. It comes with 2 separate inserts depending on how high you need the shoe to be in order to meet the level of your walking boot from the other leg. And the strap is Velcro, so it's going to fit very well around your sneaker. I found that this lift gave me stability. It evened out my legs. It took away the pain and fatigue from my good leg, so it was able to support the leg with the medical boot, and I was able to keep my stride even, and that helped me heal without getting other issues like hip problems, knee problems, or even hurting my back. So this was key in my healing after my ankle surgery. It was a huge help to me, and I highly recommend getting one, and that is my point of view.